battle stations. Report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
T'y as préparé. Les scanners détectent plus de problèmes dans le secteur 9. Aucun doute, c'est l'œuvre de cet abominable criminel, l'ennemi juré de l'Alliance sidérale, l'infâme empereur Zerg. Son armée de robots est en train de voler les générateurs à cristaux fusion. Sans ces générateurs, nous serons tous privés d'énergie et à la merci de Zerg.
It's literally the same thing in English, so.
Please face forward.
It lowers automatically.
She said Zerg.
Zerg. Yup.
Tell me when we do that.
Yup.
Tell me when we can go.
You can start to, you can lift it up. Uh-oh. They're raising the... No, it's actually very good for me. Because that means, yeah. You also want to shoot it when, you also want to shoot it when it lights up.
You are now in command of your space cruiser.
What? Oh, here's Zerg. There's Zerg, Mom. Who do you think? I don't think I was shooting the right place.
Attention, Space Rangers. You've landed on Planet C. Be ready for anything.
You're not shooting the right things, Mom. What? No. Because I know where to shoot. You don't. Because you're a fucking idiot.
Good shooting, Space Rangers. Great spot. Just
No, no, nope, nope, you're not winning. You're not winning.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted.
Stop shooting. Stop shooting. You stop shooting.
Attention, Space Rangers.
I mean, look at my score.
Will now be restarted.
Look at my mom. Look at this. No, no, like actually look at my score. Stop it! Stop it! Hey! I'm gonna shoot you! I'm level 3.
Oh man, I got level 3.
Can I lie and say that I got Galactic Hero?
No.
Good job, Space Rangers.